With the warmer weather upon us, many of us are starting to think about using our grills more and more. Rather than cooking the same old thing all summer long, today we're sharing a budget-friendly way to turn everyday hot dogs into an all-in-one main dish that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Since you most likely have hot dogs on hand, all you need to do is cut them into 2-inch chunks and thread them on skewers, along with rings of fresh corn, green and red pepper, and some chunked up red onion. You want to repeat this 1 or 2 more times, depending on how long your skewers are. After we use up all the hot dogs and veggies, we brush the whole thing with a simple homemade glaze that we made by mixing together some chili sauce, brown sugar, and a bit of yellow mustard. At this point, these are ready for the grill, or if you want, you can cook them under the broiler. These may be simple, but the taste and look is anything but. You see, the glaze actually begins to caramelize as it cooks and brings out the richness that no one would ever expect. To get the recipe for our hot dog kebabs, all you have to do is hop on our website. If only everything in life was this easy. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a hot diggity dog way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Nice, a little different.